been our diverse. He's our globe traveler. He's been to Australia, and he comes back and he shares great things with us, and explains things to us. He shared Vegemite, is that what it's called? And a lot of the kids liked it. Not so much, but a lot of the kids liked it. It was fun. Cole is just doing great. Cole's reading on first grade level. Cole is just ready to go into college. He's a 30-year-old in a little tiny body. He's always had great vocabulary. He's always had a great verbal ability. Cole also has great friends. He loves to come to school. This year, Cole really bloomed socially. He learned that there's outside friends and outside activities, and you could tell that he and some of his buddies were always making calendar dates with each other and inviting each other over, and it's been fun. Cole is brilliant, like I said, first grade on all things math, reading, manipulative, thinking, all of it, huh, Cole? And Cole has just been, I've had to really reach back into some of my old stuff to keep Cole challenged. He's just been so good about just learning a concept and just getting it really quick. Cole's off to kindergarten. I'm going to miss him, but we'll still have sister, huh? Congratulations.